Hi, it's me again. I'm going to do a new video of my booth at the farmer's market. I sell crystals, all kinds. Tiaras with triple moons and chains that hang down on your forehead. They're $25 a piece. I have Toothless and his girlfriend on stainless steel 20-inch chains. They're $15 each. I have some cool bags, tote bags to carry your stuff in, made out of a fabric. They're $10 each, or 2 for $15. Then we have the crystal grab bags and mystery bags. Oh, and I forgot about the mystery boxes. I do mystery boxes anywhere from $50 up to $200 or more. If you want more, we can do that. My grab bags have necklaces in, like these, and different crystals, stones like this pink tourmaline, mini mushrooms like that one. The higher price mystery boxes, you're guaranteed to get a large crystal carving in each mystery box. I have different gemstones too. Larimar, Mossitsit jade, Herkimer diamonds. These are ruby record keepers. This is a golden hair, gorgeous. I have layaways available. I have various money trees, all kinds of towers, skulls. I have these really large towers in the back row. Dragon heads, daggers and knives. Lots of spheres. There's some more of my carvings. I have various hearts, tumbled stones, cubes, raw stones. I have a lot of raw obsidian. There's rainbow fluorite, slabs, and towers, and a couple tumbled pieces. These are gorgeous. These are ruby zoisite, and yes, they do glow when you use a UV light on them. I have various moss agate spheres. That is Thousand Eye Jasper. Those are really cool. I also have sphere stands like these. Several different ones available. I have these dragon head sphere holders. I have lots and lots of stainless steel necklaces to choose from. They're all on 20-inch stainless steel chains. I have the Tree of Life in several different stones. I have the points. I have turtles. I have Evil Eye, mini mushrooms, malachite, We have these pet paws, different kinds of amethyst, crosses, I have the chakra tree of life. These are my witch's bells that I make. Those go for anywhere from $20 to $30, depending on how much I put on the witch's bell as far as decorations. I have evil eye keychains, wall hangers. I have these mushrooms. I have 2 large mushrooms. I have Groot, baby Groot. More towers. Larger hearts. And then we have all kinds of crystal bracelets, palm stones, more towers. I have some little ceramic gnomes at the bottom there, different kinds of slabs. I have mortar and pestles. Gorgeous daggers. And then we have all of my different wands and scepters. More hearts, spheres, and towers. Here's another sphere holder that I have for sale. On the bottom shelf, I have 2 sphere holders for sale. One with palm trees. Tumbled tiger's eye. Up here we have different kinds of unique stones and geodes. I have pendulums. I have pendulum boards and mats. Here's some more geodes and stones. I have drums. They're $35 each. And then I have lots and lots of tarot cards. If there's anything you want to see up close, just DM me and I will do that. I will take pictures for you or do some live videos with you, whatever you want. I have more tarot cards here and oracle cards. Alright guys, have a great day, and don't forget, visit me at crystalsbydiane.com. You can buy grab bags, mystery bags, and mystery boxes on my website. Contact me for anything else you'd like to purchase, and we will figure it out. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.